So this is absolutely screwed up. If I could swear, I'd be swearing. This is Oxley Creek on the way to the shop. So I think I'm going to be late for work. I think in the floods last month, it was up to about there. So only about a metre or so more. So I think we're kind of screwed. Yeah, I think Blunder Road is going to be flooded. Happy lucky days. So this is Boss Creek on Blunder Road. They haven't fixed it since the last flood, which was like, what, 2 months ago. But it doesn't seem that bad. There's someone's bike. I think that's an old bike. It's not my bike, so that's good. But yeah, this is the one before where it really floods, which is that way. So off we cycle. This is Blunder Road. It's not as bad as it was last time, but you can see the water over the road. Those buildings were under like 2 meters, and then Bunnings was under, but it stopped raining, so we should be okay. And there's a car under there in the middle where the arrow is. Idiots. And we're going to go from my shop to the floods. There is also a car way over there because they're idiots. Pretty sure that is the sewer system bubbling up, so we don't want to go in that water. Let's go look at the sewer. And it seems to have gone down a little bit, thank God. And it's raining, and I'm wet now. That is a car in the water. So apparently people's stormwater drains are hooked up to the sewer system, and that's where all this water's coming from. That is not a great smell. I think that's a lot more water than there was this morning. Yeah, okay, that's a problem. That was out of the water this morning. Uh-oh. We may be moving a whole heap of fish. That is the path. Those are ducks on the path. Wow. So hopefully high tide won't completely destroy stuff, but I think it's high tide now. To the shop. That's a dead end. Flood water.